Okay, this is some sort of caterpillar nest.
Yay, we're here, right, honey?
Yes.
So we just arrived in the camping site, and the view is awesome.
Yep, you're 61,
Yeah.
not us.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't want to go home. Right,
My
honey?
feet hurt.
Your feet? Why?
Because I
Yay!
didn't use them.
Okay, we're going here.
They'll go numb soon.
So we just arrived here in the camping site, guys, and I made it. I don't feel nauseous or dizzy or nothing. Yay! I think the pills work. But talk to you later, guys. I'm gonna show you the view, the beautiful view, soon.
Oh, we are.
So guys, I'm gonna show you the campsite over here. So ayan guys yung campsite. Yan. And lake. Mountain. Falls. And the campsite. Ang ganda-ganda ng view, guys. Ayan yung view. Oh, ang ganda. Ang laki ng lake. Tapos ayan yung mountain, and then sa kabila. Hi, Dan. And that's how it look like. Beautiful.
Yeah. What do we got? Way too zoomed in. There we go. We're on top of a hill.
Hey vlog, hey camera. I'm staying here for the rest of my life.
I don't think she is. I don't know how bad the wind is, but look how pretty that mountain is.
Good view. Nice view. So guys, tapos na kami mag-pack. Transfer ng mga gamit sa campsite. Ayun na yung lahat ng mga gamit. And we're gonna about to start.
Need a knife?
No, not yet.
Why? It's nice and sharp.
So, ayun yung tent. Oh, ayun yung tent. So ano yan na you guys, yung mga gamit namin. Magsi-set up na lang kami ng
We can hike up there.
Really?
Over by the waterfall, there's a trail.
Oh,
I
nice.
know it's somewhere in there is a trail.
Uh-huh.
So we just gotta find it. And then if we go way up there, there's a lake.
That's nice.
But it'd probably take us
That's
2
cool.
hours to get there.
Really?
It's more of a tomorrow
Okay,
time.
so guys, we're about to set up the tent, and the weather is so nice. I like it, and the view of the lake, it's like over there, and mountain over there. It's cool. So yeah, we're gonna set up the tent, and we're ready to set up the tent. Yun na yung tent.
Come watch. Oh, throw them over here.
Trying to use the axe. Oh my god. Be careful, honey, you don't have shoes.
So I'm hitting over there.
Are you
The
sure?
still wood in there.
I know.
I'm not gonna try burning it though.
Yeah.
Just don't need it.
It start raining though. What is that? Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh my god! Oh no!
Come here, come here, come here.
No, I'm starting.
Give me the camera then.
No.
You recording?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Why would you not tighten that?
I don't know how to tighten it like that.
You turn it. Hi. So here you go, terribly positioned camera.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is some sort of caterpillar nest.
Let me, chicken.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
That's so cool.
Are you enjoying this, Christine, while you're editing?
No. Oh my god, I don't want to. Oh my god, that's so cool.
It's a little creepy.
But overall,
No.
why is it?
Little eggs inside for more of them.
There you go.
Are those little eggs inside for more? Are those like little baby eggs? Yes. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Look at the one. Ooh.
They're moving. Oh, I don't want to see it though. Oh. What are you doing, honey? Oh, I don't want to see it though. It's cool though, but I don't want to see it though. Ayan guys yung view, oh. So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung view ng mountain. There, ang ganda diba? Ang ganda ng ano, ayun yung lake. Dun yung lake.
There you go. Take some stuff back. Burn it.
Okay. I'm taking back wood to the camp. See? Ooh, it's pretty nice outside. Oh yes. Do you get more? Oh, right. This one, honey. This one.
It's gonna be hard to come.
They already did it. Oh, those are really nice though.
No, they already tried.
Is it hard? Ow. Ow.
I believe some intermittent fasting. So like my friend.
Bring me a new poker.
Sure.
Like he doesn't. So that's the stuff.
Cooking.
Oh, this is strong. It's got a bunch of tree sap on it, though, so I really want to burn it. Not gonna burn yet.
So guys, we're gonna start cooking. What are you doing here?
This one still has a little bit of life to it.
Woo.
Huh?
You guys for dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah. Oh, yum. That's a nice.
Rotate. 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 Rotate.
You want my bacon crispy? I'm kidding. Put room in the inside.
Kills cook.
I don't even need to around. I'm ready to eat. Rotate it. Fill it just like that.
I'm basting them.
Need a little glass dropper.
I mean, this is doing pretty well.
Ooh, almost cooked. Now it's like getting the dinner. The food smells good. Yeah. It smells good. We're getting hungry and it's getting cold already. It's 6:41. Food.
Mashed potato, Joe.
Okay. And once you're done with the potato, then I'll.
Take those off.
Yeah.
I can smell the food already.
Yeah, that's good.
Is it more good or less?
I think it's less, or I think it's a little bit more pink, but it looks fine.
Okay, cool. We'll just. I'm fine, whatever. So. Oh, I need to switch sides. I've been saying that twice now.
Give me something green. You want to add in salt and pepper if you want to add anything?
Yeah. I'm trying to scrape all the goodies from the pan off.